You don't need a supercomputer or a finance degree to make smart moves in crypto. What you do need are the right tools, ones that give you an edge before the crowd even knows what's happening, and I'm sure most people aren't using them. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 powerful crypto tools that top investors use every day. These tools can help you avoid scams, track big money moves, and even find hidden gems before they explode. So if you're tired of missing out while others strike gold, keep watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if there's a specific tool or strategy you want me to cover next. Number 5. Token Terminal. Most crypto investors spend their days staring at price charts and chasing green candles. But the truth is, the real edge comes from understanding the business behind the token. That's where Token Terminal comes in. A tool that transforms the way you look at crypto projects by stripping away the hype and showing you what matters: the financial fundamentals. Token Terminal treats crypto like Wall Street treats stocks. It shows you metrics like revenue, fees generated, user activity, and protocol earnings, the kind of data stock investors rely on when buying or selling shares. With this tool, you can compare top layer 1 blockchain like Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche, not by price or market cap, but by how much revenue they're generating. This perspective alone can reveal which networks are truly being used, and which ones are just riding the hype train. If you've ever wondered why certain tokens skyrocket while others stagnate, Token Terminal might hold your answer. By using filters like EV/revenue, a classic valuation metric in the stock world, you can identify undervalued protocols with real income. This helps you separate promising investments from empty shells. It's like seeing under the hood of a project before buying into it. So while the average trader is guessing, you're using actual business data to guide your decisions. For serious crypto investors, this tool is a game changer. It pushes you to stop gambling and start investing like a professional. With Token Terminal, you're no longer just watching prices go up or down. You're tracking the flow of real money, and that changes everything. Number 4. DEX Tools. The crypto world moves fast. So fast that by the time most people hear about a new token, the early gains are already gone. That's where DEX Tools gives you an edge. It's a real-time platform that tracks decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and PancakeSwap, showing you new tokens as they launch, sometimes just minutes after they go live. DEX Tools isn't just for spotting new coins, it gives you a deep look into what's happening behind the scenes. You can see if a token's liquidity is locked, which can help avoid rug pulls, if the contract has been verified, and whether it has any malicious code, like honeypots that trap your funds. For traders chasing low-cap gems or meme coins, this tool is essential. It helps you get in early, but more importantly, it helps you stay safe. Another powerful feature is the Whale Trade Tracker. You can spot when large wallets are buying or selling a token, which can signal potential moves. Plus, the trending tokens list shows you which assets are gaining momentum, a helpful way to catch the next wave before it breaks. Of course, it's still important to do your research. DEX Tools gives you the information, but it's up to you to act wisely. When used correctly, DEX Tools turns you into a fast-moving, well-informed trader. You're not waiting for listings on big exchanges. You're spotting opportunities the moment they happen. It's like having a radar system for the wild world of decentralized trading, where the real action often begins. Number 3. Arkham Intelligence. Imagine knowing exactly when a crypto billionaire moves funds, or when a venture capital firm starts loading up on a new project. That's what Arkham Intelligence makes possible. This tool peels back the layers of anonymity that once defined crypto by identifying who's behind major wallet addresses and showing you what they're doing. Arkham tracks the wallets of major players, from big exchanges and famous influencers to blockchain protocols and VCs. Every time one of these entities moves tokens, Arkham lets you see it. You can even set up alerts, so if a known wallet starts accumulating a specific coin, you're notified immediately. That kind of insight can give you a serious advantage, especially during volatile market periods. But Arkham goes even further. It lets you build your custom dashboards, where you can monitor groups of wallets based on your strategy. Want to follow the trading habits of top DeFi developers? Done. Want to know when centralized exchanges are transferring funds off-chain? Easy. This tool doesn't just track movements, it helps you understand the bigger picture behind those moves. Number 2, Messari. In a space full of noise and half-baked opinions, Messari stands out as a source of clean, professional research. Whether you're diving into a brand new protocol or trying to make sense of a shifting market trend, this platform arms you with deep, structured insights. It's like having your analyst team on demand, without paying hedge fund prices. Messari offers detailed project overviews, tokenomics breakdowns, ecosystem analysis, and even quarterly financial updates. It doesn't just skim the surface, it digs into the real mechanics of a project, how it works, how it makes money, who's backing it, and what problems it solves. This kind of information is essential when you're building a long-term investment thesis, not just looking for the next pump. You can also filter data by sector, like DeFi, infrastructure, L1s, NFTs, and more, which helps you track macro trends. When new narratives start forming, like the rise of Layer 2s or real-world assets, Messari helps you catch them early. That means you can start positioning yourself before the rest of the market catches on. And because the reports are updated regularly, you're not relying on outdated white papers or blog posts. Number 1, crypto panic. The crypto market runs on headlines. One tweet can move prices by double digits, and one regulatory rumor can trigger a full-blown sell-off. In this kind of environment, staying updated is everything, and that's where crypto panic comes in. It's a real-time news aggregator that pulls updates from across the crypto world and organizes them in a way that makes sense. With crypto panic, you don't need to scroll through endless feeds or dig through shady Telegram groups. It pulls news from trusted sources like CoinDesk, Decrypt, and Twitter and displays it with sentiment analysis. You can quickly see whether the overall mood is bullish, bearish, or neutral, which is especially helpful during volatile days when the market is reacting to the news in real time. One of the best features is the trending tab. It shows you which stories, tokens, or narratives are gaining attention across the ecosystem. This helps you spot momentum plays or identify when a small coin suddenly starts making headlines. You can also set up custom alerts, so you're instantly notified when there's news about a specific token you're watching or holding. I myself check crypto panic every morning. It's like my crypto newspaper. And the sentiment tracker? That alone helps me know when it's time to scale in or take profit. Bringing it all together. Now that you've seen these 5 powerful tools, Token Terminal, DEX Tools, Arkham Intelligence, Messari, and Crypto Panic, the real magic begins when you use them together to build a strategy. Start with Token Terminal and Messari. These two are perfect for long-term, thesis-driven investing. Then layer in DEX Tools and Arkham for real-time market action. Use DEX Tools to track newly launched tokens, trading volume, and liquidity. Use Arkham to watch what the whales are doing, especially during moments of volatility. And finally, check Crypto Panic every day. When you combine these tools, you're no longer reacting to the market. You're reading it, preparing for it, and staying ahead. By the way, if you're curious how these tools help you find the next 100 times crypto, then don't worry. I explained everything step by step in my video on how to catch the next 100 times crypto before everyone else. Go check it out now. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for crypto content. And always remember, the tools don't make a trader, it's how you use it. So go test, research, and stack that edge.